In today's video, I'm sharing what I carry in my crafter box that I take to every vendor show. And if you make cups or bling lids, you will definitely love this video. Hi, I'm Jeva Zapata. Welcome to my channel where I share small business vlogs, product testing, and DIY projects. If you are new here and you like that type of content, make sure that you hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss any of my videos. Most of the products that I mentioned are gonna be linked in the description box down below so you can easily find them. And if you are already a subscriber, hey, it's very nice to see you again. Now, the main reason why I like to carry a crafter box to every show is, of course, to maintain us busy during those downtimes that we at some point experience in every show. Now, this is a utility box that I found at Walmart, and let me tell you, when I saw it, I knew that that box was gonna come with me to every show. I was looking for something like this. I used to carry my things in a bag, and it wasn't comfortable. Now I know that everything here is protected. The box is sturdy. This is the Hyper Tough Stackable Utility Storage Box. Here is the complete name. Is water resistance because it has some protection around the lid. It has a handle and it has a latch, and I really love it because it doesn't take much space and it keeps everything protected. And I think it was $6 or $7, so you can't beat the prices. I love this box. So I just lowered the phone so you can see how it looks inside. I'm gonna open the box. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. It's pretty spacious. Okay, first thing that I have here is, and I was working on this lid in my last event. I'm gonna show you. I was putting the rhinestones, okay, in the sun. Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful. I haven't been able to finish it. I will probably do it this weekend. I have 2, 3, and 4 bamboo lids here. These aren't sanded yet. So I have 4 bamboo lids. I have a Ziploc bag with all my vinyl transfer already peeled. No, some of them are peeled, some of them are not, but they are here. I have some papers here, which I'm gonna explain the reason why I have them here later. Some sandpaper, my rhinestone box, okay. Then I have here some like a sort of a dusting cloth, and this is to clean the dust off of my lids when I sand them down. I have alcohol to clean my cups before applying the vinyl. I have 2 paint brushes, my rhinestone picker. This is a vinyl peeling tool. Not sure if that's the correct name, but I got this at the Dollar Tree. I found these 3 months ago, I think, and I had to get it because I needed one for my box especially. Then at home we use the one from Cricut. This is my gem tag. This is the 4 ounces one, the bottle 4 ounces one. I got this at Michael. Then I have more rhinestones in different sizes and different colors. Ooh. More rhinestones. More rhinestones. And even more now. Okay, we have the little trays. These trays are, oh my gosh, so helpful because you just shake them and then the rhinestones turn upside down, or vice versa, the right side up, so you can pick them easily. You don't have to deal with trying to flip them, and oh my gosh, yeah, lifesaver. I thought I could do it with a regular paper plate, but it didn't work. Now I have acrylic paints. I have in black, red. I have the primary colors here so I can mix and match and try to do some different shades and tones and different extra colors, and the shades and tones of those extra colors, so I only keep these ones and I am good to go. Some towel paper, silicone pad, so I put these in my table so I don't dirty my table, I don't dirty my table cover. Anything that comes in contact with this silicone can be easily peeled off of the material, and that it's amazing. I got this also at Dollar Tree, not at my Dollar Tree, but I went to a different one months ago and I found it. Then I also have this scraper. Is this a scraper? How do you call this? Don't remember, let me know in the comments. But I have this one, this is a small one. I also have the bigger ones, but for the sake of this box, everything that I put in here needs to be small in shape and small in quantity as well. That it's everything that I put here. It's a lot of things. It fits a lot of things if you know how to fold them, if you know how to organize, how to keep them together. So now back to these papers. I use them to mix my paint, to pour my glue, or to put my lids here. If it's already painted, it needs to dry so it doesn't stain the table or the tablecloth. All right, so now we're gonna put everything back into the box, but first I wanted to show you my rhinestone picker, which is right here. Look how nasty it looks. Yes, you can see that I work a lot with these because it's worn out. The important part is right here, but this part right here, I use it to take the gem tag out of the bottle. We are gonna leave these in the house, and I am gonna replace that with the new one. I purchased this as a set years ago when I used to do my nails like pretty often, but yesterday I did my nails and I found it. I didn't know where it was, but I found it yesterday after so long. I knew I had a second one. So this is the one that I am gonna put here because this doesn't look appealing to show it in front of the customer. I am gonna start with the matte, silicone matte. Okay, then I'm gonna put my papers. Oh. Look how nasty my sandpaper looks, but it's doing what it's supposed to do. We're gonna put that right here, up, like so. Okay, then I'm gonna proceed to put my rhinestones here. And then we're gonna push my rhinestone, more rhinestones over here, over here. Whoop. And there it is, back into its place. Everything is where it belongs to. We still have probably, yeah, we don't have much space left, but I have everything that I need here. We're gonna close it and we're gonna put it right back where it belongs. And the measurements are 11.5 by 5 by 725, just in case you need to know that. I hope you found my video helpful. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Also, let me know in the comments what other type of videos would you like me to do here in my channel. I would really love to hear from you. Stay safe and I will see you in the next video. Bye!